Trubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
His PA?
Who's PA? I'm the one who's PA.
Then who's going to hold it?
Son.
1 second.
No, I think someone gave the wrong number. Really?
Every now and then we use this office.
Take my number, take my number.
Because these are changed. It's not the same. It's not the same with the...
No, I understand your problem. But yeah, just take my number, take an appointment. I'll give you an appointment.
It's easy to say for you. Because we are the office also. Let me finish my one. Because we came here, we still talk. For the very long time, we keep in silence and we used to talk level to level. In between the minister with the
Previous one, right?
previous one.
Yes.
So the new minister, we put an appointment, but he didn't respond to the appointment. Even the appointment also he didn't respond. The office also means like they have been ignore us. You know that the pharmacist is the main ingredient in health background. If we strike all the premises, which is pharmacy premises, what will happen to the state? This is the life and death of the people of the state.
Understand.
Yes, that's what we came here. So we are the concern. We are the job seeker. We need job.
Give me your paper which you want that looking for this appointment.
We are the submit to the minister. Look, we are the submit
Directly
with the previous minister.
previous.
Then what is the use of the office?
No, with
As a
him, to
cabinet?
him also we already gave the appointment
Actually,
letter.
if the minister is not there also today, we will, if it's possible, we'll meet the chief minister. Because we have two issues. One with the what with the minister and one with the chief minister. Because the chief minister has published, they has announced that they has passed the service rule, McLeod pharmacy service rule. But yet till today they have not published in copy in any link of the health department from health department. Look, this is a serious concern.
I understand. What I need to tell you is, come, have a talk with the minister.
So see,
Myself, I cannot say everything. I don't know. Previous minister, I was not with minister. I was not with her. So I don't know anything about that.
See about this also, no sir. See, all these people they are coming from very far places. So if we need to come from very far, or their village is very far.
That is the reason. First and foremost, you call us up, take an appointment.
We already called. How many times we already called? From 2nd of 2025.
we have the proof.
appointment
Receive copy
from the office.
Everything.
Response.
We have.
So who's wrong
Means
now?
the office the office didn't take any responsibility on
who's wrong,
our
From our side
letter.
or from the office side, sir?
It's mean like that.
But we are not aware when did you call us. I was always there in the office.
Sir, see, the copy is there.
Everything's here. How many letters
on the foot of shirt.
Okay, give me that.
This is one.
Then to the secretary also to the
DHS also left hand.
Yeah. Give me back.
Now, sir, what we request you are saying appointment, we want in written. At that time, when you are giving until we get that, will be here, sir.
We want the confirmation of the appointment.